Hi everyone, this is Randy Blum with PJ Pull Company. Today we'll be setting up the Dormakaba community software with the Dormakaba KeyScan Aurora software and integrating the two for multi-housing apartments. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you have your KeyScan Aurora installed. This is not your standard off-the-shelf Aurora. This is your Aurora-S, which includes your standard license as well as the SDK or software developer license. Keep in mind that using the SDK license does eat up one of your two standard concurrent logins. So if you have other integrations, as in a video management system or one of our other ones, the web license, you may need to purchase an additional client license pack. They are offered in 1, 5, and 10 packs, and they will allow for more concurrent users, as Aurora only gives you 2 as a standard. Once you have the software installed, go to Application Utilities. You want to make sure that this button, Kaba Integrated Mode, is checked. This check mark is only used in the integration between community or the hotel version ambiance. Go into your hardware setup. On your KeyScan panels, under your additional settings, you want to make sure that this S Kaba integrated 17-byte format is picked so that we can read the correct bit structure. You will go into your group setup and you will build a couple different access groups. These groups will show up in the Dormakaba community software. Once you have your group set up, we can go to Schedule Management. And here is where we can build additional schedules. There are 2 that are KeyScan defaults, no access, and a second one, which is 24/7 access. If we click on Add KeyScan Schedule, we can add a block of time by naming this. This one will make 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can either click and drag to make your block of time, or you can double click and do the same thing. Once you've set that time, we can right click, copy and paste to whatever kind of days we're looking for, and click Save. Now that our groups and schedules are set up, we can go into the people, go to Group Access Levels, and here is where we will see all of our access groups, and when we click on each one, you'll see the corresponding schedules. So on the resident amenity, on door 1, I wanted to have the new schedule I just made, Monday to Friday, 10 to 6. On the entryway door, we'll give them 24-hour access. Once you've made your changes, click Save. When we open up the community software, we will log in. You'll go to your system settings, advanced settings, enable Aurora Sync interface, and click Yes. Here is where you will enter in the login information. And if you click Test Connection, it'll say Aurora server connected successfully. You'll click Save. Now, when you want to assign those access group to people, you'll go to your Access Management, Common Area Access, and we have both staff, resident. We can make whichever ones we want. You'll click on Resident, and here is where you will see all of the different access groups. You select which one you want. By selecting No, when we create a resident, we will have the option of allowing them to have this door. By clicking Yes, they will be given that door by default. We can always turn that off. Once you have these selected, click Save. On your access points, just make sure that those different units will have these doors. So for a resident, best rule of thumb, click that top box and every single apartment will have access to these same doors. That's how you set up the community software with Aurora-S. Thanks for sticking around. See you guys next time.